Hi guys, I'm Vinoth from automation team, having a 6+ year experience in QTP or UFT tool. The ultimate aim of this video tutorial is to teach you all basics and advanced topics in UFT, which is mainly used across many automation projects. Of course, we have so many automation blog in net with detailed explanation, but the issue with that is they have explained with simple examples using Mercury demo tools website or a flight application which is having only static objects, and also they have explained with the record and playback method which is never used in any automation project. So with that knowledge, it's not enough for someone to work in complicated automation project, complicated in sense dynamic objects. So I will be teaching you all guys the important topics with tough examples so that you guys can work on any automation project. In all these video tutorial, I'm not going to cover theoretical topics because so many good websites are available for you to study. So I'll be more concentrating towards practical side. In today's session, we'll be covering UFT Introduction and the types of license. So yes, the UFT stands for Unified Functional Testing Tool. It's a HP product. Initially it is called as QTP, Quick Test Professional, used for GUI testing. Later they have clubbed HP Service Test and released as a new product that is known as UFT. So HP Unified Functional Testing Tool is a combined platform of GUI and API testing of software application. GUI testing method can be used to test front end of the software application, and API testing method can be used to test the back end of the application. And other important points, like we use VB script as a scripting language, and you all know the VB script is very easy to learn and program it. And UFT runs only in the window environment, and it allows to test both a web and a window based application. That's the intro about the UFT tool. Then we have three types of license, like seed, concurrent and a commuter license. The seed is nothing but local or standalone license, also we can say it. It is a trial or a demo license which has a validity of 30 days. You don't require any keys for the trial license. Even I will be teaching you all with the seat license only. And second one is concurrent license, which can also be said as floating license. This license type requires a concurrent license server to be installed in your office or local network. Anybody in the local network can connect to this pool as long as at least a single license is available. For example, let's say your company has purchased 30 concurrent license of UFT. All the 30 license would be assigned to the license server. Now at any point of time, maximum of 30 people in the local network of your company can work on the UFT. Then the third one is commuter license. It is a special type of a concurrent license which can be used when you don't have an access to the license server. Example, you need to travel on work where you can't connect to your company's concurrent license server. In this situation, we can use the commuter license. Then we'll go into the application. Here you can see HP Unified Functional Testing Tool. Just open it. When you try to open it, it will display the version of the tool. Here we are going to use 12.52. Then we'll be getting the license wizard. Since I am using the seat license, it will have only 5 days remaining, so it is showing like that. Just click on continue. Now you can able to see the add-in manager. What is the add-in manager? It is a software which prepares UFT to provide support for multiple technologies. You can see a list of add-ins displayed here. During installation, I have selected these add-ins. In addition to this, we have lots of add-ins available for the present version. Why we need an add-in manager? It's very easy. When you use this feature to tell UFT in advance that what are all the type of technologies or an application we will be using UFT to automate. So if our AUT is developed using a Java platform, we will be using Java add-in for UFT to recognize AUT objects and automation can happen. During that time I will be selecting the Java add-in. I'll show you some these are all the sample add-ins which is provided by the present version. You can see ActiveX, Visual, Web, Power Builder, Terminal, Emulator, that is mainly used for the mainframe application. Like this we have lots of even the present version has the mobile add-in also. We can do the mobile testing. Here I have displayed the left side these add-ins I have already worked. So if you guys have any doubt on this type of applications, you can post me your queries. I can come back to you with the solution. Okay, then mostly used add-in in many projects will be ActiveX, Visual Basics and Web. The ActiveX, it is used to test the ActiveX user interface object. This is a window based add-in. And Visual Basics, it is used to test the Visual Basic user interface object. It is also window based add-in. So if you are going to automate a window based application, so it is a mandatory that you have to select the ActiveX and Visual Basic application. And the third one is web add-in, that is it is used to test the HTML user interface object, and this is a web based application. So if you want to automate any web based application, you must select the web add-in. Once you select the required add-in, just click on OK button. It will take few seconds to load. Yeah, now the HP Unified Functional Tool has been launched. This is the UI. In next section I will be explaining about the UFT tool in detail. So please post your queries, and also in case of any information mentioned is wrong. Thank you.